Hi, I'm Paul Durenberger. I'm one of the assistant chiefs at the District Attorney's Office in Sacramento. I oversee the elder abuse, family abuse, human trafficking, and also the juvenile justice bureaus of our office. I do a lot of outreach in the community. I am involved in what's called the Domestic Violence Death Review Team. This is a collaboration of groups that includes people from the medical profession of our community, also from law enforcement and community groups, Weave, My Sister's House, Community for Peace, and other agencies that work on domestic violence. And we come together and look at every domestic violence homicide to try to see if there's anything we could do to increase the likelihood that we can prevent a future homicide. That includes educational campaigns. It includes changing the system. If we can improve the system, train somebody in the system to perhaps educate somebody to handle something differently. There's all sorts of things we do in that committee. One of the things that committee recommended a few years ago was creating a family justice center in Sacramento. A family justice center is a place where community groups and law enforcement and other agencies that work with families and children can get together at the same place so that if the victim of crime needs help, they don't have to go to 15 different places and stand in line at 15 different lines. They can get all the help they need at one place and at least know that there are people in the system that care about them and want to help them. We created that. That was one of the things I was charged with doing 5 years ago. Our Family Justice Center in Sacramento is recently opened. We opened tentatively on a unpublicized kind of dry run in July of 2016. We were able to secure a couple of grants. We now have lawyers that actually help people that need restraining orders out of family court for free at no charge whatsoever. They'll go over the 50-page document that the court gives them and explain it to them, and also give them some education and safety planning. It used to be that people would go to that court and not get any safety planning at all, and studies have shown that the most dangerous time for a victim in a violent relationship is when they're communicating to the abuser that they want to leave. And a restraining order is a pretty big sign that you want to leave. So it's very important that people get educated on what they need to do to keep themselves safe when they're going to take that step. And so far we've had 3,000 clients come in to the Family Justice Center, and we have had not one lethal retaliation for any client that's come in, so I'm very happy about that. We have I'm